The white-backed vulture, known for its striking appearance and vital role in the ecosystem, often glides gracefully through the skies in search of food. These scavengers are equipped with excellent eyesight, allowing them to spot potential meals from great distances, often soaring at high altitudes. Breeding pairs often return to the same nesting sites year after year, where they raise their young in cliffs or large trees, ensuring their chicks are protected from predators. In addition to their remarkable eyesight, white-backed vultures have an incredible sense of smell which aids them in locating decomposing animals from afar.